You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding your students. Let's break down the differences between Gen Z and Gen Alpha. Okay, educated. Imagine Gen Z as the pioneers of social media, growing up with YouTube and Instagram. Now picture Gen Alpha. They're practically born with a tablet in hand and prefer TikTok and interactive apps. Gen Z is all about DIY learning. Think YouTube tutorials and online courses. Meanwhile, Gen Alpha craves interactive and immersive experiences. What? Virtual reality classrooms, anyone? And when it comes to attention span, Gen Z can handle long-form content if it's engaging. Gen Alpha? You've got about 8 seconds to grab their interest, so what's the takeaway? To reach Gen Z, leverage social media and online resources. For Gen Alpha, think interactive, gamified learning experiences. There you have it. Your crash course on bridging the generational gap in education. Stay curious, educators.